Take it to the house of mufflers and brakes.
Take it to the house.
Who can tell me what this is? This is a muffler. The chances are great that you've never had to replace one of these. So when somebody always comes up to me and says, "Hey Rick, how's the muffler business?" I always say, well, you know what, it sucks. You've probably never had a muffler replaced because since 1996, most exhaust systems are made out of stainless steel. They don't rust anymore. So the chances are the next time you need any exhaust work done, your check engine light is going to tell you. This little item right here that's plugged into the exhaust pipe is called an O2 sensor. And that O2 sensor may be the next reason that you have for getting any exhaust work done. This is what that O2 sensor looks like. And what it does is it measures the amount of oxygen to fuel that is being run through your exhaust system. And then it sends a signal back to your computer to tell your engine how to adjust the fuel-air mixture. Now, if that thing goes bad, what happens is your engine will start dumping too much fuel into the exhaust system, which will cause the catalytic converter to overheat. Now you can see where this is in the stream. Here's your O2 sensor. Here's your catalytic converter. If you got too much fuel running through this thing will melt down and it is expensive to replace. So most of the exhaust work that we do now is from bad catalytic converters. Usually those run about over $1,000. But if your check engine light comes on, make sure you get it checked out right away, because it could be your O2 sensor throwing a code, and that O2 sensor costs a couple $100. To get it replaced is way cheaper than getting a catalytic converter replaced. So if your check engine light comes on and you start to smell like rotten eggs, that is a bad sign. Get your car in right away. If for some odd reason you hit a pothole and this thing comes off, we can still replace it. But the most likely thing that we're going to replace in your exhaust system is your catalytic converter. Prevent that by checking your O2 sensor. And if you've got a problem, take it to the house.
Take it to the house.
Take it to the house.
The
Take it to the
house
house.
of mufflers and brakes.
Take it to the house.